Alright, what's up YouTube? Well, today I got this in the mail. And this is for, actually let me spin it around this way. This is for, it's just a small patio heater, one that goes on the table. So I'm gonna unbox it, put it together real quick, connect it up, and see how it works. But this one's supposed to use those 1 pound propane tanks, those small ones like the Coleman you just get from Walmart or whatever. But you know, when you're outside and chilling with some friends or whatever, trying to have a beer after work, and it's kind of chilly outside, maybe this will be a solution to just throw on your table, put a little heat around it, and see if it works. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox this thing, put it together, and we're gonna try it out. Okay, well, you do need a Phillips screwdriver, and it did not come with one. So you do need that. I thought it came with everything, but you don't. It doesn't. You need that Phillips screwdriver. Obviously, if you have an electric impact or drill or anything, that make it way faster. But I screwed up. You got to put these pieces in first, and they go in these little holes down here. Actually, they go from the top, and then you got to put the nuts. So I was getting ahead of myself, as per usual. Up the first part, you gotta put the guard in. That is, looks like that's it. I just got the door. I just got to go get a propane tank, and then we're gonna fire it up. But that's a finished product. Let me clean up this mess. We'll get it up here on the table and we'll fire it up. All right, guys, just a little tip. I always weigh these when and write the weight on them before I use them, because when I refill it, I refill it back to the same weight. So let's weigh it. We got 31.1. Let's weigh it again. 31.1. So we're just gonna call it 31. I'll put the exact amount, but we'll put 31. So 31. it looks like a 2, but so I know this one is 31 ounces. So when I refill it, I'll refill it back to that, no more than that. Just a quick tip. All right, well, I'd say that that's in there. I like to always put the little door back on, especially when I'm first trying something out here. All right, so we got the canister in. We tighten this down, and just to hold it here, just to hold it for 60 seconds. We'll hold it for a few seconds and hit the igniter. Don't smell any propane. Oh, there it goes. I just seen it light. I held it down for about 10 seconds before I hit it. So now I'm gonna hold it. Usually you have to hold it so I believe the thermocoupler heats up. All right, so I let it go, it's still lit. All right, there it goes. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but oh, actually you can't. Turn the camera up here, but it's lit. Okay, so you know what, I'm gonna turn this puppy off. All right, I'm gonna take it outside, and then we're gonna go through the whole process again, and we're gonna see how it feels. I mean, it's not that cold right now, it's in the middle of the day, but we're gonna take a look. Okay, so we're going to fire this puppy up. Let's see if we can see it on camera. So you just turn the pilot, hold it down. I'll hold it down for about 10-15 seconds before I hit the igniter. Let's see. Right. It is really hard to see in there. Yep, it did light. It's just so hard to see in there. Oh, there it is. It's still hot. Very hard to see in there. Oh yeah, but it's definitely putting out some heat already. I'm not even sure if the camera picked that up. Probably should wait till the nighttime to do this again. But let me come down here. So you just turn this knob to the pilot setting. You push the knob in, hold it for a few seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Let it build up some propane. Hit the igniter, fires right up. Right now it's on high, and it's putting out some heat. I'm not sure how long these bottles are supposed to last, but I would definitely get my input about that as well. But this is made to be a tabletop heater. See how well it works. It's pretty windy right now. But anyways, well, that's the unboxing and getting it started. Took me, probably even with all the dumb mistakes I made, took me about 15 minutes to put this thing together total time. And anybody can do it. I used the dumb little wrench it came with. I did need a Phillips screwdriver, actually not for these, for these and for these. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver if you buy this. Got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it, something like that. But just to maybe to have a little bit of heat, you know, when you're outside. Obviously it's pretty small, so it's not gonna, you know, save the world, but we'll see how it works. I'll give. All right, well, it's dark out here. We're gonna fire this up, and I'm underneath my little small patio, I guess you want to call it here. So we're gonna see how it works in this kind of environment. Actually, I don't even think you have to hold or wait for this one. It just fires right up. As you can see, So let's I this thing is not very big. I would say in an open environment it's not going to work that great, but under a covered environment I think it would work pretty good. Like it feels the heat's already pretty good. So obviously if it's no wind in the open it might be okay, but earlier was a little bit windy, so it didn't feel like it was generating as much heat. But right here in an enclosed place, it's it's way. I mean, I could. The heat is way better. So, and this is just first impressions. I haven't even used this thing. This is just me kicking it on out in the open on my table, or being right here. Like I can feel heat all the way out over here. You know. So, anyways, I just thought I'd throw this in there at the end, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, if it sucks or it breaks or if anything happens, then I will give my input. But hopefully it's gonna work out for cheap, and hopefully them bottles last a couple hours. I mean, if it lasts a couple hours, that's not bad for you figure 1 pound of propane. So, anyways, signing off. Peace.